What is up, UKULIMBAKERS? UKULIMBAKERS, you know. Today we're going to review this Kalimba. But this is not an ordinary review because we're not going to focus on unboxing, looking at the tines, the wood. Basically, most Kalimbas have the same structure and build. What you want to know here is when you receive this Kalimba from them, is the pickup working? If it's working, how well is it working? That's number one. And number two, how well it does the job in looping. So later, I'll show you some clips of mine using this Kalimba. And number three, how well it does the job with other musical instrument or with accompaniment. So that's how simple this review will go. I will show you some clips, and after each clip, a score will be posted on your screen. A 3.5mm jack to be attached right here, and the other end to your amplifier. Let's start this. Before we forget, thanks to Kalimbera for sending me this Kalimba with my name on it. Let's do this. The pickup of this Kalimba is piezo pickup. It's the same pickup that I have in my travel guitar. What I like about this pickup is that it is installed in a specific section of your instrument. All these instruments I have are acoustic instruments until you want them electric. And pickup is the game changer for that. What you will love about piezo pickup is that you can transform any instrument into a mini beatbox, just like this. Let's go to the scorecard. How responsive is this pickup? I'll give it a 9. Alright, number 2. How well it does the job in looping. In this video, I'm using my looper RC3 by Boss together with some effects, acoustic guitar effects. We have there the Valiton Mini. It has preamplifier, reverb, and compressor. The sound that you're hearing right now is coming from Loudbox Mini by Fishman. So, how well it does the job in looping? It's pretty good. I'll give it a 9. 9 as well.
Hold me close and hold me fast.
Number 3, how well it does the job with accompaniment. Let's say I'm going to sing a song and I'll play this ukulele together with this Kalimba.
Hold me close and hold me fast.
It's another 9. So if you're interested checking out this Kalimba, you may see the link below.